Vertex Overland bag. One of my faves. So the Honey Badger. So, oh boy, the Honey Badger. If you don't own a Honey Badger, you should. The Honey Badger we did for a specialized SOCOM unit a long time ago at Advanced Armament. So we brought this back at the end of 2016 at Q. And Ethan and I, well, we improved some things that we should have done on the original gun. You have an adjustable gas block, you have a fast twist barrel, you have a muzzle taper. This is the SD, the OG version, the slick collapsible stock. That's so nice. Full length rail, you have M-LOK, you have the Honey Badger SD silencer that is a threaded silencer, but with a tapered muzzle, you don't need a fast attach device. It stays sleek, compact, lightweight. Takes standard AR mags. The original ones had the AR Gold trigger. They have Geisel in them. They're about to have the new Q trigger. The gun is all clear hard coat anodized. So you get these unique colors, which is how the Honey Badger got its name to begin with. The idea was to be a replacement for the MP5 SD. So we beat the gun by almost 3 pounds. The MP5 SD is 6 to 9 MOA. You can shoot 1 to 2 MOA with the Honey Badger. AR ergonomics, some ambi features like the charging handle and selector. The gun's great. I use it for hunting, self-defense. I use it in the house for self-defense. I use it for pig hunting. It's so compact and lightweight. What's wonderful about it, it's different than other ARs or clones of this that you'll see. Being so lightweight, you can carry the gun and not notice you have it. I don't know, between this and the Fix, there's 2 guns I just would never do without. Like I use them constantly, every day, every hunt I go on, I use them. Well, I don't know what else to say about the gun. It's just great, you should buy one. I like using it. This is a Delta Point Pro, and that's a really cool compact optic. I'm shooting inside of 150 meters. This is a great optic. It's so lightweight. I also like the EOTech, it's very fast. And I also use a 1:6 or a 1:8 on this gun a lot. If I'm gonna be hunting, if I have to make a 200-yard shot, or I need to be very precise on an animal, I like the magnified optics. So I use both. Some people don't like the long handguard. It gets very hot with the silencer under it. The short handguard option's great with the Thunder Chicken, something like that. That's my daughter's favorite. Yeah, I'm very proud of the gun. We did a great job on it. It was a long time in the making. It was purpose driven. It wasn't designed to replace any other gun other than the MP5 SD. So it's meant to be compact, lightweight, accurate, very, quiet with super and subsonic. So the idea is subsonic, quieter than the MP5 SD, the 9mm, shooting a big 220 grain bullet. And with supersonic, you get incredible accuracy, and you can shoot and engage targets at 300 meters, and it's still quiet enough to not wear hearing protection and to be able to communicate. That's the idea of the gun. We got 99 problems, but weight ain't one. The customer for this, they paint all their guns anyway. So hard coat, anodize, just doing clear, not adding the pigment, you get a superior finish for durability. And we didn't care what color it turned out, because this wasn't originally for like public consumption. And this is the way it turned out, and I nicknamed it the Honey Badger. The original name was the MPW by the military. And the Honey Badger name stuck, and I think the colors kind of worked out. And you see people now painting guns like this. We'd never paint a gun. You just add weight, you add tolerance, you add a lot of things, paint scratches off. This is the most durable finish we can provide on this gun, and just embrace the way it looks. It's correct. When it's correct, it's correct. This is right. The clear hard coat is good. 70-75 turns out a gold color. 60-61, which you can extrude, which is what most handguards are made out of, turns out in a gray silver color. And it varies depending on several things: how long it's left in the tank, how often the tank is cleaned. The base material sometimes plays a part in that. So sometimes your handguards are lighter, sometimes they're darker. We don't pay any attention to that. They turn out how they turn out. It's just correct. We're not paying attention to color. If you want a certain color, paint your gun.